Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking prerequisites. You need a lightning gem or similar item and enough titanite to upgrade. Once confirmed, go to Firelink Shrine and talk to Andre. He can infuse or apply weapon buffs. Make sure the weapon is compatible for infusion. Some unique or boss weapons need special handling. You should already have souls to pay for the service. If not, farm nearby enemies until you have the cost. Begin the actual infusion now at Andre, choosing Infuse, then Lightning to proceed. Once at Andre, select the weapon and pick Infuse then Lightning from the list. Confirm the souls and titanite cost. If you prefer temporary effects, cast Sunlight Blade or use a lightning resin item instead. Those add lightning damage without changing infusion. Make sure you upgraded the weapon to at least the recommended level before infusing, because infusion changes scaling and base AR. Higher base upgrades yield better final numbers. After infusion, test the weapon on a weak enemy to verify lightning damage registers. Complete the process by verifying stats in your inventory. Confirm base AR, lightning split, and any change scaling. If lightning doesn't seem to apply in combat, make sure the infusion actually took. Sometimes unique weapons resist standard infusions, and check enemy resistances because some foes absorb lightning. Once done, re-upgrade with titanite to optimize damage. Troubleshooting tip: if infusion fails or weapon becomes weaker, revert or re-infuse with a different gem, or apply a temporary lightning buff like Sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.